All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you a whole brand new type of invoice that you haven't seen before. And this invoice that I'm going to show you here is called the group invoice. So hopefully you watched the other videos and you've seen the ascending invoices already, and you actually understand the ascending invoices. And if you understand the ascending invoices, then the group invoices are going to be very similar for you to understand. They're kind of like the backwards version of an ascending invoice. So the big difference between the ascending invoice and the group invoice is the ascending invoice goes up in price after every so many orders, and the group invoice goes down in price after every so many orders. Okay, so essentially I'm going to show you how to create one, but I just want you to know how the group invoice works. Essentially how the group invoice works is you're going to create an invoice with an initial price point, and then you're going to say, hey, once I reach a group of this many people, I'm going to give a discount of this much. And if I reach a group of this many people, I'm going to give a discount of this much. If I reach a group of this many people, I'm going to give a discount of this much. And then what will happen is people will come in, they'll sign up for the invoice. They don't get charged at that time. They just get pre-authorized because you're going to give a date at which the invoice, at which the offer expires. And then people will come in, they'll sign up for the invoice at whatever the current price is. We'll pre-authorize them to make sure that they have enough money to pay for the invoice at that price. But as more and more people sign up, the price of the invoice actually drops and goes down. And once you reach the expiration date of that offer, then everybody is charged all at once, all at the same time, the exact same amount. And that amount is whatever the current price of the invoice is. So it's kind of like Groupon, all right? It's kind of like a Groupon style invoice. So hopefully you understand the concept. If not, we're gonna go ahead and create one real quick, and then I'm gonna show it to you how it works in action. So to create one, you're just going to give a name, all right? You're gonna tell me what type of discount do you want. Do you want a discount in dollars, or do you want a discount in percentage? I'm just going to use dollars. And then here you're gonna give us the groups, all right? So I'm going to go in and say, hey, if I get a group of 2 people, I'm gonna offer a $10 discount, all right? Now, if you want more groups and more discounts, you need to click this add button, and I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna say, hey, if I get a group of 3 people, I'm gonna give a discount of $15, and if I get a group of 5 people, then I'm gonna give a discount of $25, and these are all the groups that I'm actually going to create, all right? Now, obviously, your groups could be very different, you know, the size of the groups that you wanna pick. I'm just picking these small groups so that I can go in and show you this working, and you can see how it's working, and I don't have to pay for this invoice like 100 times or 200 times, all right? Because I don't want to do that. So now you're going to give your line items. Let's say this is great for, let's say, a training. Let's say you want to do a training course and you want to, you know, we just had Memorial Day and you want to launch your training course and do a Memorial Day offer. Well, you could basically do a training course, and you could, you know, create a group invoice for that training course, and you can set it to expire at the end of Memorial Day, and you can say, you know what, my training course is normally $9.97, but if I get 10 people who commit to buy, I'll give it to you for $8.97. If I get 50 people who commit to buy, I'll give it to you for $6.97. And if I get 100 or more people who commit to buy, I'll give it to you for $2.97. And then what you'll see will happen is that the people who are interested, they'll go in and sign up. And then once they sign up, they'll share your invoice on social media, and they'll tell your friends, hey, if you sign up for this, we can get, you know, we just need 10 more people to sign up and we all get a discount. So it kind of creates a little group buying frenzy. So I'm going to show it to you. We're just going to give a line item. It's going to be a quantity of 1, and I'm going to put this at $100, all right? Now, I want you to understand that since I have a price point of $100, this is my initial price point, and this is my last discount that I'm going to give. So what that means is the final price of this invoice, the lowest possible price of this invoice is going to be 100 minus 25. So if 5 people agree to buy this thing from me, all 5 of those people are going to pay $75 instead of paying $100 because they're going to get a $25 discount, okay? If you want to add a subscription, you can add a subscription, but you're not going to be able to pick from any of the subscriptions that you've created in your custom subscriptions. This is just going to create a brand new subscription for you, okay? Then you're just going to give an expiration date. I'm going to go in and give some expiration date of today at 11:59 p.m. at the end of the day. Give a tax percentage if you want something. I'm not going to give a -4. And then you're going to give your memo. I'm just going to put testing group invoice. Now you're done, and you're going to create that group invoice. So now you're done. All right, so now you can see you have your group invoice here. This is on the group invoice list, and you'll see on the group invoice list, you can see all your group invoices. You can see how many people actually signed up, how many people were charged and paid, and you can see that the offer has expired or when it's actually going to expire. So we're going to go here and actually get the link to our group invoice. So here's our group invoice right here. All right, and I want you to notice a couple things here, that the current price is $100. And your users can see how many people have signed up already. They can see when the offer is going to expire. They can see that the price is going to drop to $90 after 2 orders. And they can see all the discounts that are offered. They can see if you get 2 people to sign up, it will drop to 90. If you get 3 people to sign up, it will drop to 85. If you get 5 people to sign up, it will drop to your final price of $75. And you can see there's an important notice here. And this just basically educates your users that they're not going to get charged right now, that they won't get charged until the offer expires. And the amount of money that they're going to get charged is going to be whatever the current price of the invoice is. So if they sign up for $100, but the price drops down to $85, they're only going to get charged $85 and not the full $100 because that many people signed up. All right, so I'm going to go in and buy this. All right, I'm going to put in my email. And then I'm going to put in my card, my name on my card. I'm going to put in my card info. Remember, this is a test card because I'm in test mode here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and buy this. I'm going to keep my group invoice URL because I need to go in and buy it 5 times so I can show it to you completely working. So now I'm going to go in and actually purchase this. All right. And now you can see it says, hey, again, we let them know, hey, you've successfully signed up. Once the offer expires, you'll be charged automatically. So we let them automatically know that, all right? So now they've got that. They don't get any receipt yet because they haven't paid yet. They don't pay until the offer expires. And now you can look and see this is the same group invoice. You can see one person's actually signed up and the current price is still $100. And you can see that the price is going to drop to $90 after 1 more order. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up to buy this again. And I'm going to make that payment. I'm going to go back to my group invoice now. This says it's been successful. So I'm going to reload this. And now I want you to notice that it shows 2 people have signed up. It shows that the current price now is only $90. And you can see that the price will drop to $85 after 1 more order. So I'm going to go ahead and buy this. All right. So now I'm going to buy this. At least I'm going to sign up for it. So now I've signed up for that. Now you can see that it shows 3 people have signed up, and it shows that my current price is $85, and it shows that the price is going to drop to $75 after 2 orders. And if I go in and buy it 2 more times, and I'll go ahead and just do that. This will be a little bit longer video because of that. If I go in and buy it 2 more times, you'll see that the price will finally increase to my final price, which is going to be $75. That's going to be my lowest price. So now you'll see that 4 people have actually signed up. And it's the same thing, price is still $85, and it's going to drop to $75 after 1 more order. So let's go give that 1 more order. And I'm going to buy that. Now I've reached my maximum group of people that I wanted. All right, this was my target. This is how many people that I actually wanted. And now you can see, that 5 people signed up. The current price is $75, and you can see that this is my final price. All right, there will be no more discounts after this. And now once the expiration date hits, which is in 11 hours and 0 seconds. Once the expiration time hits everybody that signed up for this, they will all be charged $75. No one's going to be charged 100 or 85. Everybody's going to be charged the exact same price, which was this final price. All right. So hopefully you can now understand the group invoice and how it works and how it can actually help you make even more sales by telling your users that if you reach certain amount of targets that you want, you'll offer a discount based on, hey, if 10 people sign up. I gave you an example of how you could use it to sell your courses. So hopefully that makes sense.